Hi everyone. So recently we've had a few questions about our ribbon dispenser boxes, which reminded me I've had mine sitting in my garage for over a year collecting dust. Now last weekend, still in lockdown, how much Netflix can one watch? I had a bit of a Marie Kondo moment and thought I'd tidy up my ribbons. And let me tell you, I felt so good after that because they're just all nice and neat and tidy in their boxes. So I thought I'd take this opportunity and just show you how these ribbon boxes work. So they're a nice sturdy cardboard. They come like that pre-made with their lid. So they've got the 6 holes in the front where the ribbons come through. Now they are 36 centimetres wide and 15 centimetres in depth. Now inside you'll get a cardboard insert which you place your ribbons in. So there's 6 separate compartments in there. Now I'm going to show you over here how easy they are to insert. Now I've placed some in here already, so you can, depending how wide the ribbon is, I've got 2 in here. Then you can put a nice wide one on its own, thread it through the hole. If it comes through, there's that one. Then in the next one I'm going to put 3. So I've got 3 different sizes. I've got the medium size, that's 1. Then I've got this one, that's 2. Then I'm going to pop in a little one as well. As you can see, it's really easy. You just thread it through and it's easy like that. And all you do, you just pull it out and it glides really easily. Whether it's one on its own or whether you've got the 2 or 3, they still come out beautifully. So what a great concept. Keeps all your ribbons nice and tidy, tangle free. So I hope I've answered all your questions and inspired you to tidy up your ribbons as well. Have a lovely day everyone.